Here we are with another mukbang. I did something a little bit different. Every single time I try a microwave food for a mukbang, it ends up being freaking disgusting. Can't swear in the first minute. And honestly, when I bought this yesterday, I knew I was going to film myself eating this. But I thought maybe that it might be alright. If you look at the box, it looks pretty good. Grilled chicken, red pepper Alfredo. You're like, wow. And that looks pretty good on the box, right? This is what it looks like. This is what it fucking looks like. Not only is it missing the color, anyways, you always know that it's never going to look like what it looks like on the box when you're microwaving food. But I thought it would look... Anyways. Welcome back to End Media.
You are now watching an End Media production.
I don't know if I should try to get a thumbnail since we're doing these different thumbnails now. I should probably try to still do the thumbnail thing, just in case. I don't know, whatever. But then I'll do a thumbnail after. Okay, let's just eat this. I'm fucking hungry. Grilled chicken and red pepper Alfredo. Here we go. I still remember the last thing. I'm gonna have to edit this part out, I think, because of the music from the car outside. So let's start. I mean, okay, so the last time I got a microwave thing and ate it was those fucking Brussels sprouts during Have a White Christmas. During the Have a White Christmas marathon. The Swartzen, what are they called? Swartzen fucking Brussels sprouts. Still thinking about it, it's fucking gross. Those were the most putrid fucking things I've ever had in my whole life. Let's hope this isn't as bad. First bite. I feel like I'm having a baby. Okay, let's finish this off quickly because it's not very good, but it's not also terrible, but it's also... It's alright. The thing about the vegetables and stuff like this is that they're always overcooked. Even like the noodles are different than they are on here. These are not the same noodles. These are flatter. I know, like, there's so many laws about food. Like, you can't, like, there's so many laws about advertising food. Like, you can't put, like, marbles in the bottom of the soup to make the fucking noodles come up. Shit like that. That's what I always thought. For some reason, I always thought there was, like, laws. But then, like, seeing, like, this to this. It's a pretty extreme difference, you know? Like salt and dick. Like night and trucks. So different. Excuse me. My fucking goddamn multitasking. Like, just chill the fuck out, bro. Just eat this first. Want that noodle. A perfect balance of taste and healthy. Yeah. Grilled chicken with linguine, creamy red pepper Alfredo sauce, and broccoli. Well, health choice. What's it called? Healthy choice gourmet steamers, grilled chicken, red pepper Alfredo. I'm gonna have to give you a 10 out of 69%. Not the worst, considering that like a Hungry Man meal. You know, like a beer battered chicken Hungry Man meal with like has the brownie and has the little thing of mashed potatoes and the thing of like corn and carrots. I mean, that's around 10, 11. It doesn't taste bad.
for a single person?
For a single person, I think it works. This was $3.99 on sale. I wouldn't buy it regular. It was like $5 something regular, $5.99 I think. Yeah, 10 out of 69% is what I'll give it. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe to this channel, give this video a like. It really helps our traffic, boosts our videos out to more people so we can do more content for you. Don't forget to subscribe. I think I already said that. And you can email us at endmediamail@gmail.com. Also, check out our TikTok at endmedia. I think it's at endmedia productions is on TikTok. It's called endmedia, at endmedia productions. Whatever. If you just type in endmedia, it'll come up. Check me out on Facebook at Kevin Yarrow. Pretty much my personal Facebook has become a meme group. So come follow me. And check out Keith Perry's channel, Soapworthy Productions, on YouTube. He does sick shoe grinds on rails and stuff. Yeah. Boy, I wish I had an outro. Maybe we could try something like...
End Media Production.